Yo, what is up, people on the internet? As you can see, it is definitely snowy and definitely cold. So I think it's about time we get to 240 inside. So let's do exactly that. So as you guys seen in the last clip, we got the 240 in the shop here. But before I was able to actually do that, there was quite a bit of work that had to be done. And the way that I filmed and the way that I'm editing this video, we're gonna kind of backtrack, go over everything that I did. And then at the end, I'll give you like a full little tour of the current state of the shop. So starting off, there was a lot of stuff in this building that we had to clear out. It took me like an entire day. I think it was like 14 hours total, a day and then the next. But we got it completely cleared out, got a clean slate, and had something to work with. From there, I then got some fresh lights, put up lights all the way through the shop so we could see, have proper lighting. After the lights, I got the workbench in here, so we have somewhere to put all the tools and work on stuff. That was a necessity, of course. And then we started doing some of the funner stuff. We got a garage couch because you gotta have somewhere to sit. I got some Naboris hung up. Over by where the couch is, where I'm gonna deem the chill zone, got some like Christmas lights hung up. Those were on sale, so it was a cool addition to that corner. As well as I got the TV hung up. I don't have footage of that, but there's a TV you'll see in a second when I do a little tour. But I guess it doesn't sound like that much, but it was quite a bit of work. So I guess let's do the walk around. So when you first walked in, of course, there's the 240 and I guess my dog. And you look to your left and you got old Ricky Bobby here to greet you in. You ain't first, you're last. But there's ample room all the way around the 240, and we could say like the work bay to actually work on the car. So that's actually pretty cool. You can get all the way around it. Of course, over here in this corner, we have the Naboris. Like I said, final bout, shirts tucked in, and then another final bout. Got to get more of these so we can like line them up through here and maybe some more that way, just to really tie in everything. That will, of course, that will happen. So moving right along, in this corner, of course, we have the workbench and all our tools. I stuffed a bunch of stuff underneath, but we need to get another shelf to go like here so we can put all our extra parts and stuff. That'll be an addition in the future. But of course, you can see I've already been using the workbench, not so much for car stuff, but working on some chainsaws. And I got this sick diesel heater for Christmas, so when I go wheeling, I can heat the back of my rig, like the little camper conversion part. But, I mean, that's the workbench, nothing crazy. Moving along, this is the other part. We have the chill zone. As you can see, we got the TV hung up. I have to add more over here. Got the couch, got the Moist Boys, got the tri-spoke Advans that are Trents in the corner, just setting the vibe. Got the R200V with the 5-bolt axles down there. Get some more trinkets and stuff to go on the shelf. And as well as get the PS2 out here so we can play some Gran Turismo, some other games, as well as watch Drift Tengoku, Best Motoring, Hot Version. Instead of working on the cars, we can procrastinate by watching cool stuff. So, of course, we got the couch and a puppy, a big puppy. And, I mean, honestly, that's kind of it. Like, workspace, workbench, chill zone. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy. Got the heaters in here, keep warm. And, So as we get more of the shop like set up, like I said, get the PS2 out here, get more Nabores, you'll see that in future videos. But this is the main big transformation, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm psyched that we have somewhere to actually work on stuff, as well as hopefully you guys had a Merry Christmas and of course a Happy New Year. We're in the new year, and this year we're gonna be uploading way more. I slacked off this last year. I apologize. I'm gonna try to upload every single week, hopefully like Sundays or Mondays. That'll probably work best for me, so you guys can have more videos. And there's a lot in the pipeline for SukiddoKids. Next video, though, is going to be a working video, a build video on the 240. I've had some parts stacked up to kind of start to make this thing a little bit cooler. So look forward to that. Like I said, I have other stuff in the works for SukiddoKids as a whole besides just the typical build videos, vlogs, or whatever you want to call them, the drift events and the trip videos. This year we're definitely driving. I'm driving because I actually have a car that's like capable, I think. So that's something to look forward to. The other aspects that I want to do with Sukiddo as a whole will start to show up. So definitely stay tuned for that. Follow the Instagram if you do not, because that's probably where I'll start kind of pushing that first. Kind of starting to sound like that guy, 2026, yeah, this year, new me, this year's my year. But in reality, guys, got some cool stuff coming. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do the YouTube stuff. Peace.
Who's a good boy? You a good shop dog? You like the S13? Yeah.